Can you see my screen? No, I'm not shared my screen. Can you see my screen now? No. This is your second project. Just a second. Okay, am I audible? So this is
Yes, sir.
screen is visible, right? Mohammed,
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
this is your second project. That is your time time series analysis. At this project, yeah, this is the file that has been shared with all of you. I think so. The time series analysis is cryptocurrency. And here, the project analyzing the cryptocurrency price trends using time series analysis, forecasting model, sentiment analysis, and volatility analysis. It also includes a graphical user interface for user interaction and real world application. How will do? What are the features you need to add? Cryptocurrency data collection, data pre-processing exploration like your cleaning, visualization, time series forecasting models. You can use your ARIMA, LSTM, Prophet model, volatility analysis like your GURDS model, sentiment analysis like your Twitter, news, graphical user interface for user interaction like your Teak, Inter, or Streamlit you can use. Then real world applications like your trading, risk analysis, market insights, etc. Then you need to go for data collection and pre-processing. You can collect the Yahoo Finance API or you can use anything data, any data. And for time series forecasting model, you can use the ARIMA, LSTM model, Prophet model, that is your Facebook time series model you can use. Volatility analysis, you can use GURDS model. Sentiment analysis, you can use Twitter and news data set. For GUI implementation, you can use just Streamlit. Just listen. If anything is here, there is so here everything is mentioned. ETL tool, statistical method, machine learning models, random forest execute, and LSTM to be used. Then Facebook Prophet, TFTRNN. Then for market sentiment analysis, NLP based sentiment analysis on crypto news and tweets. Interactive dashboards you can use. You can go for predictive predictive analytics to forecast the next day, weekly and monthly price trends. These things would be there, But here technology stack you can use the Streamlit, okay, as your data science and machine learning students. So only Streamlit to be used, okay. And then some real world applications that it is important, like trading investment strategies that predict the future prices, risk management to volatility prediction, market sentiment analysis like your public opinion impact, portfolio management like decision making based on the forecasting. All these things are important. And for future enhancement, this type of project is live crypto price forecasting API. You can go for it. Integration with trading bots, you can integrate this project. Advanced deep learning models like your transformation based, transformer based, LLM, large language models you can. Means overall, this project analyzes the cryptocurrency time series data using machine learning models and deep learning models and financial analytics with forecasting model like your ARIMA, LSTM, XGBoost, Prophet, volatility analysis, sentiment analysis, graphical user interface. It has a real world application in trading, risk management, and financial decision making. Getting it, everyone? Should I explain it a bit more so that you all can understand this properly? All these steps?
Yes, sir.
See, when you're talking about cryptocurrency, this is highly cryptocurrency that you know. Just a second. Wha- Hello, am I audible? So you all know that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile assets that making the time series analysis essential for predicting the trends, understanding the market behavior, and making informed trading or investment decisions. Right? And here this project for details, na, you can go for this one. Just take a screenshot. Okay, this is another thing. Just take a screenshot so that you can understand it. Financial dashboard, we have already done that. And for time series analysis, you are using data collection. Here we are collecting the data, uh, gathering real time and historical cryptocurrency data, etc. And in pre processing and exploration, we are cleaning the data, handling missing values, and visualizing the trends. Then in forecasting model, we are using statistical models like your ARIMA, deep learning models like LSTM, and artificial intelligence driven profit models for price prediction, etc. And in volatility analysis, that is volatility measurement, we are identifying the market risk and price fluctuation with GATS model. You have to use GARCS model. And for sentiment analysis, yeah, for sentiment analysis, you can extract the public sentiment from news and social media. Graphical user interface you can develop in creating an interactive dashboard for analysis like this. So for data collection, you can use that I told you, Yahoo Finance API or Binance API, CoinGecko API or news or social media data you can use. So clear about the data set, all of you? All of you, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So after that, types of data will be there, historical data will be there, trading volume and the market sentiment will be there. This type of data you need to collect. Then data pre-processing and exploration, handling missing values, converting timestamps, feature engineering, using your what one hot encoding, label encoding, then feature scaling using normalization, standardization. We have already discussed all those. You have to perform. Then EDA to be done. Then for time series forecasting to predict the future cryptocurrency prices, different forecasting models are used, like your ARIMA model, that is a traditional statistical model. What is that? Auto regressive integrated moving average, that is your ARIMA. This model, this models the historical data trends and makes the future predictions based on the past value. Means your ARIMA model is useful for stable time series, but may not be as effective for highly volatile assets like your cryptocurrency, right? Then there is something called LSTM. Similarly, deep learning model, long short-term memory. This is an recurrent neural network, that is RNN model, that captures the sequential dependencies in data having long-term dependence. It is more effective and highly fluctuating the price patterns and can handle long-term dependence that I told you. Then there is something called Prophet model, that is AI-powered prediction by Facebook. Prophet is designed for time series forecasting with trends and seasonality components, and it automatically detects the patterns and provides the accurate future price predictions. Prophet model. Then it comes to volatility analysis measurement. That is, the cryptocurrency prices are known for their extreme volatility that I told you. It's the key volatility matrices like your standard deviation that measures the price fluctuation over time, average true range, the ATR that tracks the market volatility trends. Then you can use a GARS model that I told you, that is generalized auto-regressive conditional heteroscedasticity, that predicts the future volatility by analyzing the past price variance. Then for sentiment analysis that I told you, it influenced by public sentiments, and by analyzing the news headlines, social media post, we can understand the market mood. Source of sentiment analysis can be Twitter, post, expost, Reddit discussion, financial news articles, etc. Then some of the sentiment analysis technique, if you can perform like your natural language processing, pre-trained AI models, like you can use the transformer models like BOT for sentiment classification, that is positive, negative, or neutral. Then you can correlate with the price movements that compares the sentiment trends with the actual market reaction. Then for GUI, I told you that you can use the Streamlit or Dash. Okay, Streamlit, that is a Python based framework for interactive dashboard that you might know, and Dash that enables the web based visualization with dynamic objects. Getting it? Then for future enhancement, you can go for trading, investment decision, risk management, portfolio optimization. Means that project can be huge one. Okay, if you can do this project will help you a lot. What your resume, and it will strengthen your resume. I'm audible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
this type of project you should do, and do in that way so that you can add in your resume, and you can show me that uh, you can go for future enhancement skills, future enhancement. You can, after the internship also you can enhance the project. Okay, this project to be taken very seriously, guys. Okay, not the third one. I will not tell the third one, but this one and the first one is very important. But and mainly the second one, this one, your time series analysis with cryptocurrency or stock market, it's very important. Okay, means the project provides a comprehensive data analytics approach to cryptocurrency market, that forecasting using time series analysis, volatility prediction, and sentiment analysis. And it is solves traders, investor, and financial analysts looking to make data driven decisions in the crypto space, right? Getting it? So when you're talking about how to perform these things, so for data collection, you can directly import Y Finance as Y Finance into Yahoo Finance. And when you're talking about fetching real-time data using Binance API, you can create a function that def get Binance price, and you can do it. And for data pre-processing and exploration, you can handle the missing values, then BTC data handle the missing values using the Yahoo Finance data. Then moving average analysis, you can do time series forecasting use your RIMA model, that is a traditional statistical model you can use. And for time series forecasting, you can use RIMA and LSTM, that is deep learning approach, long short-term memory. You can use Prophet model also, that is specific AI forecasting model. From Prophet, import Prophet you can use. Okay. Then for volatility analysis, you can use your GATS model. Then for sentiment analysis, you can go for news and Twitter data. Then for GUI implementation, you can use Streamlit. And for real world application that I told you, that do this project in that way, you can enhance the project after internship. So if you are enhancing the project after the internship as well, and you are doing the project in the internship means very effectively, and you can show me the project that and I found it's great, then I'll personally talk to you, okay, and you can enhance the project afterwards. Okay, we can do that. I want this type of project to be done, and this type of project can be go for a conference. Okay, and if anyone is interested and any group is interested to do this type of project and go for any conference or anything, just do let me know about that. Okay, else no need to go for conference. You can go for the project in that way, so that this project will enhance your means will carry the 50% of the impression from the resume. Getting it, everyone? Yes. Means for future enhancement, you can means you can implement it. Means real time API for live forecasting you can do. You can integrate with trading boards. Then you can use your advanced AI models like transform with predictions, LLM, your chart GPT working on that principle. Getting it means overall the project analyzes the cryptocurrency time series data using ML model and financial analytics, and with forecasting model, the volatility analysis, sentiment analysis, and GUI. It helps the trader, investor, and analytics to make informed decision in cryptocurrency. Getting it, everyone? Everyone, how to do the project, how to proceed with the project? Go for the recording once and do the project as soon as possible, because next you'll be having class tomorrow, I think, or day after tomorrow you'll be having class. Not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. From that class, we'll start learning what I told you to discuss. We'll be discussing those things. But you all start working on the project without any further delay. And because after you will be having only 17 days, So today is April 8th. Then from 25 onwards, you'll be having the project review. So you have 17 days, right? 2.5 weeks. So having said that, I think you can do the project. May I get a thumbs up that you can do the project or not? Yeah. So having said that, let's wind up the class for today, and we'll meet in the next class. And it's already late, and I have schedule the class so late. Thank you everyone. Let's wind up the class. You can leave the call.